Get ready to work it out! The Work It Out Wombats family app brings the Wombats' problem-solving fun right to your home. Join Zeke, Zadie, and Malik, 3 marsupial siblings from the hit PBS KIDS series Work It Out Wombats, as they solve problems using computational thinking, a creative way of thinking that helps children solve problems in more organized ways. You and your child can watch animated Wombats videos, then do hands-on activities with step-by-step instructions you'll find in the app. Each activity needs only a few easy-to-find materials. Super, the Wombat's grandmother, will give you tips on how to support your child as they use their computational thinking skills. Take photos in the app and use them to create a music video starring your child. Then, watch the music video to help your child review what they learned. Download the free Work It Out Wombats family app. It's available on the App Store and on Google Play.